Handcuff with rotation. So you want hands right underneath the shoulder and then hips stacked right over top of the knees. So what you don't want to be is in this position or too far forward. Everything should be nice and stacked. Same thing with the knees. You don't want the knees back really far or scrunched up too forward. So hand in line with shoulder, knee in line with hip. Hand comes back to the small of your back. Abs are tight and engaged. Glutes are tight and engaged. And you're going to pull the elbow down and feel a nice stretch in the shoulder. And then pull the elbow up. Pause for about 3 seconds in each position. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. So down and up is 1 rep.